No, that's too happy. Rock E.
Sic Puppies. Ease. Sic Puppies. What the fuck? Don't give a fuck. Whatever it be. Me and Crook shredding the guitar.
Rock beats in E.
Very far. Rock beat in E. Don't give a fucking fee.
Ready?
You can come in for free. Because we'll keep rocking that shit freely. Like the red, white, and blue. Reppin' true and true all day long. Ooh. Proud Boys, 3%ers, 1%ers, don't give a fuck. We got too many friends, me and Chuck. Got our cars, holding hostage. 69 El Camino is what it is. Red, white, and blue. When I represent, I'm gonna come run through your neighborhood. I run through all of them. Misunderstood. Been misunderstood. Raised from the streets. Let's get this beat figured out so what we can rock. Try to attempt to get you on your feet. Out of that chair. Whether it be a lawn chair or a sofa. Whether you're in front of the TV. Or the baseball game. Cause this ain't no fucking fame. Gorilla type shit. We be getting with that.
You record this?
This recording.
Okay.
What the fuck is Chris Struthering on? He's just like snoring and ignoring.
Turn it up.
A brother from
I
another.
don't like this one either.
What the fuck? We're still recording all our fuck ups. Cause we don't give a fuck. We like to embarrass our ass. Because it's mighty, not fashionist. We ain't down with Infida. We're down with Proud Boys. Down with Trump supporters. Down with red, white, and blue. Keeping it southern and true. Even from the red, white, and blue west coast. Who is this on my fucking post? Fuck this shit. Get the fuck off my page. Chris is gonna slay it like he was born. Risen from the grave. Egyptian had the fucking lights. There was no aliens. There was no living life in sin. Motherfucking Egyptian lights. There wasn't no eclipses nights. There wasn't no red, white, and blue rapping through. Cause it's too fucking soon. Too fucking soon. Ain't down in the avenue. You know what's true. Technology was before you and me. Down with Tesla and not the fucking 5.0 wrestler car. Rubber to the road. Keep our fucking soul. True is what we be. Reppin' red, white, and blue. Keeping true is what we be. Chris Stroh on the guitar. Fucking drummer from another mother on the drum floor. What is it? The Wicked Echoes. I'm the promoto. I'm the promoto. This is his drum, not a solo. Whoa. Holy fucking shit. I could grab your fucking... Well, I had a fucking mic and left it on the ground. I don't need that shit. I always keep it legit. Cops are rolling by, dealing with homicide. My neighbor stabbed his brother in the fucking neck. Jumped her fence, stole the fucking cell phone. What a fucking fool. He came back through, trying to get some ass. She caught him on the attack. She sliced his fucking neck. And then he fucking checked. this war zone. God's going down in the gutter. He was a piece of crap on the prowl. He's fucking with the sack, the dirty brown. It wasn't clean, keep it mean. The fucking whack, so I was on full attack. Got the dogs in the yard on the prowl from your punk ass tweaker snitch billin' on the prowl. I see you walking in my neighborhood stalking. I'll slit your throat. I don't joke. On your soap, hanging from a motherfucking rope. Chris will keep me slinging from the guitar winging. Chinging, ching, chinging, and the dinging, ling, dinging. Got the GTI in the driveway, living my life halfway sideways. Keep it up, don't give a fuck if you suck the clit or the butt. Fuck it up, don't give a fuck. It's what we say. Living life on the grind, slave away, day to day. It's what we say. In the yard, we keep it hard. The hidden motherfuckers come get slaughtered. Deal with 120 in Maine 2, trying to rotate shafts. To watch out for the glass. It cut your ass. You cut your ass. The broken glass around the shaft. Bitch, I got what you need. I got the check. I'm signing deed. Live it up, or I cut your neck. Don't give a fuck. Keep it up. Do your job. Sing along. He's making shit up all day long. Everything is straight out the fucking dome. Never heard any word of what absurd words I've said, dealing with my life's willing. Ain't Bill Dylan, pay my bills. Said I will, never will. Chris is on the thrill. Stop this playing. Pick it up, keep it up. With my ram, saying, dang, wang, chang, 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 chang. On YouTube, don't give a word. Fuck you birds for what you heard. None of this rehearsed. I know it's absurd. Thank you much, President. Keep it up.
I think we're done.